Imagine a young person receiving their first paycheck. Excitement fills the air. But wait, where did the money go? Asterisk income right pointing arrow rent right pointing arrow food right pointing arrow bills right pointing arrow debt right pointing arrow lifestyle right pointing arrow almost nothing left. Now, picture another person receiving a similar income but making different choices. Asterisk income right pointing arrow essentials right pointing arrow protection right pointing arrow investments right pointing arrow skills right pointing arrow future. Most of us learn how to earn money, but few learn what to do next. Why does someone earning more still feel broke? Why does a bigger salary sometimes lead to higher expenses? This video unveils lessons that can alter how you think about money. Your income is not your wealth. Income, savings, and wealth are distinct. Let's consider two fictional characters with the same salary. Person A earns more, yet spends nearly every penny. Person B earns less, saving, investing, and avoiding debt. Over time, the differences become clear. Income is simply the money you receive. Wealth is what you accumulate. What you own minus what you owe equals net worth. A high paycheck opens doors. What you do with that income shapes what lies beyond. Lifestyle inflation can silently erode your progress. Imagine someone receiving a hefty pay increase. Their initial excitement escalates. Soon, they upgrade their apartment, car, and lifestyle. Their income rises, but their financial progress remains stagnant. Lifestyle inflation isn't inherently bad. The issue arises when each income increase turns into a permanent expense. Divide extra income between lifestyle, savings, investments, debt reduction, and skills. You decide what's best for your life. The first goal isn't about appearing wealthy, it's building financial resilience. Consider sudden events: job loss, emergency repairs, medical bills. Having savings can prevent emergencies from spiraling into debt. Know your essential expenses: income stability, emergency savings, insurance, and debt obligations. The amount you need varies. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Before building an empire, establish a foundation that withstands storms. Debt has implications beyond just monthly payments. Consider how a small purchase can turn into years of debt. Evaluate interest rates, repayment costs, and opportunity costs. High-cost debt can hinder wealth building as future income is tied up. Ask yourself, what is this debt doing to my future cash flow? One of the most overlooked assets is earning power. Invest time in learning skills, sales, technology, or trade skills. Stronger skills unlock better jobs, compensation, or business opportunities. Investing in skills requires time but can drastically alter your financial landscape. Time often matters more than starting with a large sum. Compounding is key. Regular contributions can grow significantly. Compare two hypotheticals. Person A starts early with modest amounts. Person B starts late, attempting to catch up with larger contributions. Time allows returns to create additional returns, underscoring the value of consistency and patience. Money decisions are often psychological. Social media bombards us with images of luxury. These comparisons trigger spending. Understanding emotional triggers, like fear or status, is essential. Pause and reflect. Do I want this, or do I want what it represents? Small financial leaks can morph into substantial costs over time. Recurring expenses accumulate. Think subscriptions, financing, and services. The goal isn't to eliminate joy, it's to ensure value aligned with cost. Financial health isn't defined by salary alone. Use a broader financial dashboard. Income, savings rate, debt, and investments matter. Focusing on one indicator can be misleading. A high income doesn't guarantee resilience. The best financial plans are both straightforward and sustainable. Follow this framework. 1. Know your money. 2. Protect against shocks. 3. Control unnecessary costs. 4. Grow your income. 5. Invest for the long term. 6. Review and adapt. Observe your financial system develop over time. As we recap, remember: 1. Income isn't wealth. 2. Lifestyle inflation destroys progress. 3. Resilience precedes growth. 4. Debt has long-term costs. 5. Earning power is an asset. 6. Time empowers compounding. 7. Decision-making is psychological. 8. Recurring costs deserve scrutiny. 9. Financial health is broader than salary. 10. Simple systems are best. Now, return to our opening character. After consistent, educated decisions, they view their financial standing. They haven't become instantly rich, but there's more control, resilience, and growth. Asterisk asterisk. Today's choices shape tomorrow's options. Asterisk, you don't need a complete overhaul. Start with one decision. This is Finance Flow, where complex money ideas become practical lessons for a stronger financial future. Subscribe for more insights on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Asterisk disclaimer. Asterisk asterisk, this video is for educational purposes only, not personalized financial advice. Seek professional guidance for your situation.